In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Figma. Mastering text alignment is a fundamental skill for any designer, as it significantly impacts the readability, balance, and overall aesthetic of your designs. Whether you're working on a website layout, a mobile app interface, or a simple graphic, knowing how to properly align your text ensures a polished and professional look. It's not just about making things look neat, it's about guiding the user's eye and creating a harmonious visual experience. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is select the text layer you wish to align on your canvas. Once your text layer is selected, you'll see its properties appear in the right-hand sidebar, which is your go-to panel for making all sorts of adjustments. Within this Properties panel, you'll find various sections related to text styling, such as font family, size, line height, and color. We're looking for the specific area dedicated to what we call type settings. This section consolidates all the essential controls for manipulating your text's appearance. So, to recap, select your text layer, then locate the Type Settings section in the right-hand Properties panel. This will open up all the options we need to proceed. Once you have your text layer selected and the type settings visible, your next step is to navigate to the Alignment options. These are typically represented by a series of distinct icons within the Text Properties panel. You'll usually find 4 main alignment styles readily available: left, center, right, and justified. Each style serves a unique purpose and has its own visual characteristics. Let's quickly go through them. Left alignment is the most common and often considered the easiest to read, especially for larger blocks of text in languages that read from left to right, like English. It creates a ragged right edge. Center alignment is frequently used for headlines, titles, or short phrases, where you want to draw immediate attention to the text and create a sense of symmetry. However, it can become difficult to read in longer paragraphs due to the lack of a consistent left edge. Right alignment is less common for body text but can be very effective for specific design elements, like aligning text with the right edge of a container or for languages that read from right to left. Lastly, justified alignment stretches your text to fill the entire width of its text box, creating a clean, straight edge on both the left and right sides. While it can create a very formal look, be mindful that it can sometimes lead to uneven spacing between words, known as rivers of white space, which might impact readability. To change the alignment style, simply click on the icon that represents your desired alignment. You'll immediately see your text adjust on the canvas, giving you instant visual feedback. Don't be afraid to experiment with different alignments to see what best fits your design's overall aesthetic and functional requirements.